How to remove bookmarks on iPhone home screen. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Binbisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can remove the bookmarks on your iPhone home screen. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through. First things first, let's add a bookmark here. How you can add a bookmark? Simply head over to your Safari, then search in and head into website. I'll just head into google.com here real quick. So once you're on the page, you want to simply tap on the share icon at the bottom of your screen and then scroll down and you can add to home screen. So you can see Google. I'll just add it real quick and you can see it's added. Now how you can remove it? To remove it is pretty simple. You can remove it like any other app. Simply tap and hold on the bookmark there on your home screen and you can see you can either edit or stir, and you can see the delete bookmark option. Tap on delete and then go ahead and delete it. This is how you can remove bookmarks from your iPhone home screen. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.